What's the next target of Cardano? What's my prediction to go on Cardano going up or fails down? What's my opinion to sell, hold or buy at the same time? Everything as in this video. Please kindly keep watch, and first of all I request you, my brother, only 4% people subscribe my channel. Please people watch video and go. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news, because this channel guide you every time. This channel is your brother. Yes, absolutely. This channel, if you have any kind of help in the crypto market, absolutely you tell us. I answering you, my friends. Please I guide you, my friend. So subscribe and press bell icon, my friend. If you can see here the last 24-hour chart, I open it and this time the change occur and minus 4.43% going up. Congratulations, my brother. First of all, I do a prediction practical. You can see here, first of all I draw a two line, my friend. You can see here this time I draw a two line. You can see here, and the second line is here. Okay, my friend, understand. This is the A1 and this is the A2, my friend. These both lines are very important. Okay, understand what I tell you, my friend. If they're moving up, you can see here this time, this point, they're moving up. After a very bad falls, they take a jump again. So my friend, after this jump, they fails down very badly. You can see here, this is the circulation. You can see here, my friends, this is the circulation. After this jump, they gone up, my friends. They gone up. So this is the circulation. You can see here, this is the circulation. Exactly, my friend. In upcoming days they're moving up like a rocket, but you can see here this time the change occur minus 43.4, and this is the cause of this point. You can see here this point. After this bad point, they change occur as a negative in the last 24 hours, my friend. The price I think has decreased now, because the 1.50 US dollars they can hit it easily, and the second target is 2 US dollar. Cardano's second target as 2 US dollar. I hope they can hit it just at the end of this month, my friend. But if they fails down at this time, I cannot say they can hit it. But if they're moving and this circulation which you see, if they hit this target, you can see here in upcoming days, then exactly they can hit at 2 US dollar. Otherwise I cannot say you they can hit it 2 US dollar. So my friend, understand what I tell you. Okay, if they're moving at this circulation, then I think they can hit it 1.80 US dollar or 1.70 US dollar. But if they can hit like this target, you can see here this circulation, every crypto for currency, this is the major formula. You can see here every crypto market, they're gone, every crypto coin is moving like this. Okay, so this time also I hope they're moving up. My expectation is very good from Cardano, my friend. What's my opinion, my friend? I think this is holding time. If you hold it at just at the end of this month, I hope they give you a very good profit, my friend, because the good time is coming soon now. So please hold it, my friends, because the good time is coming now, and they give you very good profit, my friends. They give you very good profit. So please hold it, please, and sell it at the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Only 4% people subscribe our YouTube channel. Please 96% people not subscribe. Please you subscribe, my brother. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.